Walker does not know sports and apparently is really bad at betting. So we bet on who would win certain games in March Madness, and I showed him my bracket, and he picked the team that I thought was going to lose already, and they did. So as a prize, I got to pick anything under $20 off Amazon, and I really wanted a new Switch dock. So that's what I have here. And so now I'm going...
very bluntly labeled.
Yeah, Switch dock. So I'm going to 3D print a mount for it because I want it to be wall mounted behind my TV so I can't see it. So if anybody wants to gamble on sports with Walker, don't, because that's my territory.
Wait, no. But our next bet is what? We're betting on the...
I don't want to talk about that because it kind of hurts. We're betting on a certain baseball team winning or not. And... I'm betting that my team's gonna lose.
Because your team is what?
My team is, they're the Chicago White Sox, and they are not good. So, I'm betting that they're gonna lose, and...
I'm betting that they're gonna win.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get some free Red Bull out of it. So, side note, Red Bull sponsor me. Really, I can't wait. So, I have had many things 3D printed for me by Walker, so I'm excited to see what my house will look like after I do sports gambling with Walker. So,
what's the next steps here?
The next step, I'm gonna measure it, and yeah, I'm gonna measure it. I'm gonna get my Switch, actually put it on there, and then 3D print a mount for it, so it'll be attached to a wall. Things I gotta think about are how much this is gonna lean back. And then cords come out the back. So my mount is probably going to be right about here. It'll come out and just hold it up. I'm going to make it very minimal. It's just basically going to be a tray that sits. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to design it so it looks like our brackets. Oh. So I'm going to 3D print our brackets.
Oh, that's so cool.
That'll be really neat, right?
Yeah, and you already have the models for that, so let's retrofit it.
So cool. This is my new Switch dock. Thanks, Walker.
You're welcome.
What do you think? Should the mount be like that? So it's just resting up there?
Yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have like holes in the bottom to run cables through?
Yeah. Just gonna go out and down. So that's it. See you next time on Lift Dark 3D Prints Unnecessary Things That I Want.
All right.
All right, you ready? Mm-hmm. So, this is the printout. Looks pretty good.
It does. Curious to see how the supports come off.
Which...
Do you think that's strong enough?
I don't know, it looks a lot thinner than...
It looks a lot thinner in person.
Yeah. So that support came off. Those came off pretty easily.
Oh, just gonna riff and riff.
Mm-hmm. Always.
It looks like it should.
Almost always. Just gotta break that seal a little bit.
Okay.
There it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Wow, look at that surface.
Wow. That looks great.
Yeah, how about that? Thanks, Creality. You're great.
Send us some more filament, please.
Yes, please. Send us more filament.
We're sorry we didn't send you a blessing on your 10th anniversary.
Yeah, I feel bad about that.
But we blessed you from...
We did bless you from afar.
Yeah.
And we bless you every day. Walker's been blessing me through your blessings. And it's been great. And we've been speaking the good word of...
Yeah, the gospel. Evangelizing, I guess. Oh,
ah. I mean, that's...
Wow, for its supports coming off, that's pretty good.
Yeah. And... I mean, overall, that's pretty clean. Now, structurally, I think that'll hold.
I think so too. Do you have the dock with you?
Yeah.
How does she fit?
Like a glove.
Oh, look at that.
I was a little off on the angle, but not bad.
Oh yeah, but yeah,
Barely.
barely.
But imagine that. Right there.
Now you're gaming.
Yeah. And let's check the back. Yeah, enough room for everything. I mean, can't really slide off. I could have made the sides a little bit higher.
Honestly, what you could do is take little, if you don't want it to be removable, take little bits of double-sided tape
Yeah.
and put it like hot hidden
Right underneath. Yeah.
on that front lip where that gap is. That's what you made the gap for, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my Nintendo Switch dock stand mount. And this will go behind my TV.
Due in part to your ingenuity and my failure to accurately guess the basketball.
Correct. Yes. So because Walker has an impulse to make bad sports choices, I have this now. Thanks, Walker.
Thanks, Creality.
And thanks, Creality. This is great.
All right.
If anybody else wants this, you can contact us.
Yeah.
I would sell you the file for items of love and care.
All right. If this goes up over the weekend, you have like one day left.
Right. April 22nd is our final day to enter the giveaway.
April 22nd is the cutoff date.
All right. April 22nd is the last day to enter. So see details in this video or another video.
This video will have
This video. And so you can make cool stuff like this.
Yeah.
Neat.
Neat. See you guys next time.